Shopee. So guess what, guys? What we have here. Good morning, mga kadre. Welcome back to our daily trading show. So ito yung order natin sa Shopee na Peito. So I want you to see ano yung itsura niya when you order one like this. So from fresh from the box. So this is a power inverter, pure sine wave. I prefer this para sa ating electronic devices, especially sa laptop natin, sa Nitro 5, and sa mga monitor natin. So okay, natin side to side. Natin open. So yun yung mga details niya. And Peito solar power inverter, sine wave. Okay, 2000 watts. So dito pa lang sa box, kita nyo na lahat ng detalye. Okay. Okay, ito yung diagram. That's how it is. Okay. And battery, this is it. Power inverter, and then yung accessories. Schematic diagram. Okay. So meron siyang type C and type A, USB A ports, which I like. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so may Peito. How legit that is. Okay. So looking forward to talagang mukhang maganda naman ang after sale service nila. Okay, so very premium looking cable, very thick. I think this is gauge 10, and then meron siyang charger din, car charger. Ito battery to. Pero itong lalabas ko for car. Yan, may cigarette port siya for car charging. Tapos ito for battery. When you're gonna tap directly to the battery, that's the cable there. Okay.